My name is Easy Glaze, and this is my iSpring filtration system. This is the 3-stage, the 3 big blue cylinders right there. This right here is the spin down. So we have to spin down the 3-stage filtration. And then I stepped it up a notch. And did the iSpring UV as well. So this right here is right in my utility closet with the water heater. We have the pipes. Copper pipes go right down into the crawl space. I could show that in a later video. Just installed this about 3 months ago. There's been some hiccups, and I'll go over that in other videos. I'll do a breakdown of, I'll do one video on the spin down. I'll do a video on the 3-stage filters, on which one, there's different ones. So I'll go over the ones that I have. And then I'll go over a UV video as well. Before you get the system, you should reach out to iSpring with a sample of your water test, either from your local agency or a private water company. But get a water test, send it to iSpring, and determine if this system is right for you. Alright guys, spin down. This is the first filtering stage. Then it's the 3-stage. And then we got UV to knock out any bacteria in the water. My name is Easy Glaze.